Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're talking about 4 different ways that you can change things right now in your lifestyle to save money. All right, let's just get into it. So the first thing that you can do is sign up with a company called Mint. It's free to do. It's made by Intuit, with QuickBooks, so reputable company, and you can literally go in there and plug in all your bank accounts and your credit cards. Will go through and tell you what all your spendings are. Find some of the things on your agenda that you can get rid of, like maybe you have a Netflix account and a Hulu account, and you start realizing like you can get rid of one or the other or something like that. So Mint, definitely one of the best things to sign up for to save some money and look for those savings. All right, number 2. Now that you've gotten Mint and you've uploaded all your spending, that you've uploaded all of your credit card statements and your bank statements, and it's sorted through and start looking at your spending habits. Start looking at, are you going out to eat too often? Are you spending money on DoorDash? Are you spending money on necessities? I went through my bills and found out I was spending way too much money on, believe it or not, yes, coffee. Way too much money at Starbucks, Dutch Brothers, places like that. I had to start setting a budget. Okay. Now, having Mint will allow you to analyze your spending habits, and you can kind of determine whether or not these habits are something that's worth it and you want to keep them going, or you can decide to cut them out and look at the spending. Now, myself, I look at it and I'm always kind of more on the conservative side when it comes to spending. I look at whether or not it's gonna really, not only what is it gonna cost me now, but what's it gonna cost me in the future? Because I realize that if I put that money into another account, it's gonna be worth even more purchase power down the road. So I think that's why I have a harder time spending. So try to analyze your spending habits, and if there's some things you can cut back just a little bit. All right, tip number 3, negotiate your bills through Mint. That's right, Mint has a free thing that they do where they'll allow you to negotiate some of your bills. And I'm not talking about just, I'm not talking about weird bills that don't exist for everybody. I'm talking about everyday bills that all of us are paying. Like me, I found out my T-Mobile was part of it. I saw there was other big companies though, like AT&T, huge companies. Anyway, they were able to get me, I think, $40 off per month. Something that I thought, well, I get no change in my usage. I don't have a difference in the amount that we have as far as minutes. Nothing's changed except I got a little bit of savings. And step number 4, the biggest one, the one you've all been waiting for. Hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. That will pay for years to come. All right, everybody. Hope you enjoy the content. We'll see you later. Bye.